As a nutritional biochemist, what I love is to study pathways. It's almost like studying a dominoes game in terms of biochemistry. One aspect of biochemistry leads to another, leads to another, leads to another. So when we look at black seed oil and we look at its effect on something like cortisol, this stress hormone that we don't want too much of, we want just the right amount of, we want this sort of Goldilocks approach, we want our cortisol to be high in the morning but low in the evening. ThymoQuin is probably not working directly on cortisol. It's probably managing the stress response indirectly through its effect on the inflammatory cascade and what that does to the immune system and what the immune system does to your cortisol levels. And so really looking at the whole body as a system, if you will, and understanding if we modulate the system here, what happens downstream from that. So in functional medicine, sometimes this is referred to as root cause. If you have a symptom, if you have a problem over here, we want to go down and down and down to find out what is at the root cause of this. It could be a problem with your inflammation. It could be a problem with your immune system. It could be a problem with your stress response. It could be a problem with your microbiome. And in this most recent trial on black seed oil, we looked at all of those, trying to tease out exactly what was happening. And the thing that was really gratifying to find as a nutritional biochemist is that ThymoQuin works on all of these pathways simultaneously. It's restoring true balance. It truly is optimizing that entire system so that they're more resilient, they're more robust, body and mind.